Hey guys, just want to make a quick video on this hood strut that I bought off of AliExpress. Took a chance, it was like 35 bucks, and want to see if it works well. Instead of paying $150 to some of these other companies, might as well buy from the source. I'll put a link in the description too. One thing I don't like already is this is their instructions. Yeah, you don't like it either. Literally just one page, one picture, and that's it. It's just pointing, one here, one there. So, not the best instructions, but I think it should be fairly simple, so maybe that's why they assume you don't need it. But we will see. This is what it looks like. This is what the struts say on them. Shang. I'm pretty sure every single one of the other struts that we see being offered by other companies are probably bought from these guys in China, so might as well pay next to nothing and have these shipped to you direct from the source. So let's go outside and see how simple this might be, or absolutely terrible of an idea this might be. Okay, so the solution seems pretty straightforward. This is a 10mm down here, and this guy's gonna get installed right there. And then you have this one here, which is a 13. And that one is gonna be this guy. So that gets installed right there. From the paperwork, it seems like in this orientation, like that, on this top bolt. Yeah, I'll do one side, and then I guess on here it's this bolt and this guy here. So same procedure on the other side. All right, let's get that done. All right, quick thing of note. This is how I mounted it. So this is this mount, and the ball is on the back side, and this is over here facing inwards. Honestly, I wanted to kind of turn this around so the ball is facing that way, just because the pressure is pushing it like that, but I don't think it's enough of an angle to really matter. But on this mount, you want to make sure that it has enough spacing for you to slide it around, that you push it in as much as you can so it's flush with this surface here. Okay, and then you want to tighten it down. So a little word on that. I'll do this and test it out. Okay, so what should have taken probably like 5 minutes has now taken 10 minutes. I guess you get what you pay for in terms of instructions. This is absolute garbage, so don't use this at all. Just follow this video. You already know how to mount this. So you're gonna mount it like this with the ball towards the back and the little hump going on the top. That's clear. Don't mount it to this one. You want to mount it to the back one. Okay. So just make sure you do that. Same thing on that side. Push it all the way in. A little curve up the lip, and the ball's on the back side. And same thing here. Mount that on the back, so you'll have one nut, two, and you want to mount it to the back. Okay. And when all is said and done, you should be able to close it just like that. And to open it, you just give it a little bit of a lift, and then that's it. And checked all the pinch points. There's nothing getting pinched. I'll show it on the camera, but you have these hoses for the, I believe this is the washer fluid. So you can see it when it goes down. I'll try to bring it down slowly. Let's see if you can see it at all. But it kind of lands towards the skinnier part of that. Okay. So nothing is getting pinched, which is good. And once you bring it down to like a certain point, like here, then you can just give it a little bit of a shove and that closes. Okay, simple enough. Take care, guys.